Guys, my name is Karan Patel. In this video I will show you what is a bar chart race, how you can develop your own bar chart race for COVID-19 datasets. Okay, so let's take a look on what is a bar chart race. Bar chart race is a video in which your bar set according to your time and rank. It basically gives an idea who is the best or who is got a first rank at that particular time. This bar chart race shows the topmost cities of the world from 1500 to 2018. Let's take a look on a COVID-19 bar chart race. So this is the code for bar chart racing of COVID-19 deaths from 26th of February to 22nd April. So the format of data is year, month and a date. Okay, so first of all import library and run pandas. It's very new options. I'm not describing this code because this is too lengthy to describe, and you have to with lots of fun of method and functions you find. But I will make sure that in a preview, after Matplotlib tutorials, I will explain all this syntaxes. So if you want to write, then please just write, copy and paste this, and I will put the link of data in the description so you can download from there. Read it and write this code, and you will get the output. Taking some time, and here you go. Okay, so this is not an error, this is warning. So at the end of this you will definitely find the video. It's taking some time. Okay, so at the bottom you get this kind of video. Let me zoom, and here you go. Okay, so 28-second video, title is COVID-19 death by country from 26th February. Okay, so let me run this video. So till the approximately 10th March we don't have a data, so it will not print, and after that this is happened. Okay, so Italy has the highest number and US will take over in a just. Okay, so USA take over Spain and USA take over Italy by the April month of start, and here you go. Okay, so this is how you can generate your own bar chart data. So that's it for the video, guys. If you have any doubt, please mention it on the comment section. Thank you.